Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got another unboxing, another mail call, if you will, from two different people. The first is a very popular member in our community. He goes by Lockpicking Paul. I was so fascinated and impressed with his Katana 2. I cried like a baby. Before the competition, I said, even if I don't win, I said, I gotta have one of them. Please, please, please make me one. And this guy, just to shut me up, no, this guy, just because he's a really good guy, decided to make me a Katana 2. And I got a couple of extras here that he sent me. Let's check it out. Right. I don't have my buddy Lockpicking Paul sticker yet, so let's dump this out. Oh yay, he gave me some extras. Okay, I'll keep that just because I need bags for my sticker bundles. Okay, so we got some Lockpicking Paul stickers. Beautiful, beautiful. Ugh. What's this? Is this Nigby? Yay, cool. I don't have Nigby either, so that, you know what's going on. Lockpicking Paul and one Nigby. Oh, I got one of each, eh? I'm keeping them. So these are going on my board. Or you know what? I won't be selfish. I won't be selfish. I won't be selfish. So what I'll do is, I like the blue, so I'm keeping these two for my sticker board. And I will add one of the Lockpicking Paul stickers to this big badass. You can't see it. You might have got a glimpse. I will add one of his to the badass sticker bundle for my giveaway. That pack is just getting fatter and fatter every day. And I will add Nigby to the badass sticker bundle as well. And then I've got one extra that I can give out with one of my next sticker bundles. So let's add Nigby into, hi buddy, relax. Let's add Nigby into the big badass sticker bundle for my giveaway. So that's fat. My brother Lockpicking Paul slipped this in there. It is for slipping latches on doors. Sort of like a traveler's hook. That was just a little extra he gave me, so thank you very much, Paul. And now the moment we've all been waiting for sure. Let's check this pick out. He's so professional too, eh? I just love this. He's just so professional. I really appreciate this, Paul. When he said he was going to do this for me, it just made my day. He knows how I am with my long reach profiles. Oh, wow. And he put the textured grip on there for me, too. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. No handle. It fits right in the everyday carry. Right in my everyday carry set. And look at the reach on that. Ho, 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 ho. That is beautiful. Wow. My own Katana 2. No handle, but we discussed that it would be better for practicality because it can fit in an everyday carry. So, wow. Thank you very much, Paul. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's move on to package number 2. This is also from overseas. I'm not sure where it hails from and who it hails from, but we're going to find out right now. Did I not make any... There we go. That's how you do that. Alright, let's see what's inside here, guys. Oh, yay! This is from the lock breaking kid. This is my prize for the giveaway. Oh, my buddy. Oh, yo, those are so cool. Oh, man, that is so cool. I didn't know they were like squishy like that. Oh, lock breaking kid. Thanks, buddy. My little buddy. Oh, thank you, buddy. And then this is my lock that I won. Thank you, lock breaking kid. Thank you so much, buddy. Look at that, eh? That is so cool. Hey, sorry about that, guys. My flipping camera just died. My phone just died. So I was just saying thank you so much, lock breaking kid. I appreciate you sending me my prize. I love this little guy. I'm going to call him LBK, lock breaking kid. I'm going to call him LBK, lock breaking kitten. Lock breaking, LBK, lock breaking kitty. How about that, buddy? He's my LBK, my lock breaking kitty. And he's going to sit with me. Oh, you can't see that. But just outside of the frame there on my desk, he's going to be sitting with me in my videos. And I'll even sneak him in sometimes for you. You know what? We'll have him sneaking in the videos sometimes. We'll have him creeping in sometimes. So keep an eye out for him, okay, buddy? You'll see your little friend in my videos once in a while when he wants to... That's a nice lock, Joe. Where'd you get that? I got that from your old owner, the lock breaking kid. Cool. So I really, really like that. And Paul, my brother, lock picking Paul, thank you so much for doing that for me. That was a nice gift on the side as well. Thank you for your stickers. That's going right on the sticker board. I didn't have one of my brother Nigby either, so that's definitely going right on the sticker board. I don't know. Do I have room left on this board? I think I do. I'm going to fill it to the max. So, check this out. You're going on and you're going on. So, you're going right there. And then Nigby is going to go right here. Perfect. Just like that. There you go, guys. Added to my big community board that's full almost. I got like a couple more small spots. And then I've got, this is full. And then the back side is full. So yes, anyway, sorry. I got ADHD, I get distracted easily. Okay, thank you so much, Lock Breaking Kid, for my my prize. Lock Picking Paul, thank you for making me my own special Katana 2 that fits in my everyday carry. And I will be very gentle with it. Yes, I got your note. I will definitely take good care of it. You know how I am. It's going with my other custom picks that I can't say I only use on special occasions. But every day is a special occasion. And if I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood. So thank you so much, guys. That's all I got for you this time. If you guys could do me a huge favor, everybody, like, subscribe, share my videos. It would really help continue my growth. Yeah, that's all I got for you this time. Until next time, catch you later.